Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a scrolling page on Figma. Start by creating a new frame in Figma, which will act as your viewport. Make sure the content you want to scroll extends beyond the bottom or sides of this frame. This is crucial for the scrolling effect to work properly. Think of this frame as the window through which your users will view your design. We are setting the stage for an interactive experience. Now, select your main frame. Head over to the prototype panel on the right-hand side. Under the Overflow Scrolling section, select Vertical Scrolling. This simple step tells Figma that this frame should allow users to scroll up and down to view all the content within it. It's a fundamental setting for creating dynamic layouts, ensuring your users can access all information. Next, arrange all your content elements, such as text blocks, images, and buttons, within the main frame. Stack them vertically to create the illusion of a long page. It's important that all these elements are nested inside your main scrolling frame. This organization ensures that everything scrolls together smoothly, providing a cohesive user experience for your audience. Finally, it's time to test your creation. Click the Present button, usually found in the top right corner of your Figma interface. This will open your prototype in presentation mode. Now, you can interact with your design and scroll through your content. Ensure everything looks and feels as intended, providing a seamless user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.